Hey friends, we're back with another video.
Here we go.
We're doing CCI Glass. We're gonna show you exactly how to put it on.
Yes, sir.
And I don't know if this is a typo, but it says 2 to 3 year protection.
That is not a typo. It holds its weight for 2 to 3 years, correct.
Holy crap.
Proper maintenance and doing the right thing, and the instruction through the shop that's installing, or with great knowledge that they'll give to you, it will hold its weight in water.
All right, let's apply it to the glass.
Sounds great.
Cool. All right, so what's the first step? Clean it, obviously. So we've cleaned it, we've clayed it, we washed it. I mean, we can polish it if we need to or want to, right?
We can just jump straight into application if the glass is clean to look.
Do it.
Cool, sounds great. You have glass.
Yeah, that's glass.
Oh, sorry. For theatrics. Same application process. You don't need to shake this one. I'm generous when I put the coating on.
Okay.
I just want to make sure that I know when it's going on. Customer end user is getting exactly what they want or what they need out of it, and that's the coating to go on the surface. I'll come over here and I'll just start working it in. So I build the box. You can see it's on. Fill in the box, and then I just start working it.
With this product as well, if you were to get on the trim, it's okay.
It's not, yeah, it'll wipe clean. It's not gonna harm nothing.
Seems like it flashes pretty quick.
Yeah, it's flashing pretty quick on there. So boom, done, on to the next one. And you can see it's still there.
Yeah.
Glass is a harder substrate, so you don't have to worry on how you apply it. You don't have to make linear passes or anything like that.
A certain amount of times you want to rub it in, or you're just kind of doing almost
Just
like
do it till I see it,
2 or 3
till it starts to flash out a little bit.
Yeah.
And at that point, I know it's just time to let it be and let it carry on. So I'll do these, and then if you guys want, you could jump in and play with it too, and throw a little more glass on there and do what you gotta do and have some fun with it.
Hey, that's what it's all about.
That's right, man.
Now, recommended, one layer would be okay. Are you able to stack this material?
We don't recommend stacking it. It's not purposeful. It's not gonna do anything except waste your product. Single layer slayer. We'll do exactly what it's.
Layer slayer.
There you go, man. And just pop some more on there and have some fun.
I mean, so in your experience, this 50 ml bottle, how many cars?
Quite a bit. It stretches really, really nicely. It's not one of those things that you have like a set amount of cars. It's just what goes on. I mean, every car is different as far as window size and stuff like that. So, and it's cool once it's all done. It's very slick to the touch too. And again, just kind of wipe it till it either starts to disappear, you start to see that little bit of haze, and you're winning.
Flashes pretty quick. I mean, it seems to go on pretty thin, so wiping it off, you wait 30 minutes, and then just wipe it off with the normal microfiber. Just wipe it off with the microfiber.
Yep, should just clear up just fine.
That's kind of the issue that I've had with most glass coating is the removal, right? So like I've had some ghosting come back, and I've even had a couple coatings where I'm driving down the road and I kind of see my white marks and stuff, you know?
So I've also found that like cold distilled water on a shop towel will help that too. If you ever have trouble with removal, good cold distilled water on one of the blue shop towels, like the paper shop towel, take it off, and then microfiber backing pulls everything up. That not being the case with this, but other glass coatings that I've ran into. So if anybody's using another glass coating and you run into that problem, that might be a good tip for you.
No, it was super easy to use. And you said you leave it overnight, I mean, which is kind of crazy. You can come back the next day and wipe it off.
And it,
you know,
just,
so.
Whatever solvents are left over on the top, just wipe clean. It's like almost like a very, very fine powder.
Yeah.
So that's like one of the first tasks my staff does when they come in is they'll come and check out all the glass, make sure it's good, take everything off, double check the wheels, tires, tailpipes, things like that before releasing the car, and off it goes.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that comes off super easy. Yeah, it's super clear. No streaking whatsoever. Almost feels a little bit sticky, you know? But damn, it's clear.